Okay guys, welcome back to this beautiful Sunday. So I'll be designing a walk-in closet on this live stream, and I'll be showing you how I do it using Cabwriter. I've been using Mosaic and Cabwriter for my business for long, but in this case I'll be using the Cabwriter. So I hope you enjoy it, and also keep in mind that I go live every day, so you can consider subscribing to the channel and also hitting that bell notification icon, so that every time I go live you can join, and maybe if you have questions you can ask during the live stream and I can make the modification or answer your inquiries. So without wasting any time, I will just start the stream and the design. So I hope you enjoy it. Let me know in the comments, be active there. Also, if you are a cabinet shop looking for a drafter, feel free to email me. My email is on the description box, as well as check out my website if you want us to work continuously together. So with that said, I'm just going to start the stream. So this is a recent project that I did, so I'll just go with the final design that we made. So in short, this design we have made several revisions, just to arrive to the final one that the client liked. So usually it takes around 3 days. So first design, I want this modification, then I did the second design, then we did the last design. It was just to make them happy with the final design. So this is what they shared. Their room dimensions. So it is a walk-in closet. You walk in, you have your closets, and also they require them all to have doors, so there's no open shelves. I'll just show you the drawings that we did. In addition, we made the cut list and other files, so you will just see the whole process and how we work. But before I make all of these drawings, first of all we have to do some Zoom calls to make sure that the client is happy with the current design. If they require modification, we do the modification. When they are ready and happy with the design, like this one we did, now it is the time to make the drawings. So this is the closet that we'll be making. These are the drawings that we did for them, and also additional files we are sent to the cabinet maker, but you will see the whole process in this live stream. So I'll just start by firing the SketchUp. Give me a minute to just set up some few things here. So that the SketchUp now is on, it's time now to start the design. So using Cabwriter, you need first of all to save this file. I'm just going to save it on my let's call this one project 1, and then walk-in closet save. So after saving, you need to go to window and then model info, and then change the units to fractional, or if you are millimeters person, you can go to decimal and then change this one to millimeters or change it to centimeters. Otherwise Cabwriter will not work well, so you need to change it to fractional for my case because I'm using inches. And then control save, control yes, okay. Then after that, it is time to create a new project. So these closets are face frame. Are they? Let me check that drawing. But they were not. Let me just explain. It is a little bit different, but we are not going to make it this super detailed because this is just a live stream to give you an idea. Here you have to tweak more things to make it as perfect as you wish, but essentially, as you can see, it is kind of full overlay, but the face frames are small thickness. And the way Cabwriter works is no way you can make this face frame less than the thickness of the door, so that one is not possible. So you have just to make the cabinets and then create these pieces right here, and then assign them to a given cabinet and repeat all over again. So that one is time consuming. Maybe there is a shorter way, but that is the way that I did these ones. But for now, let's just assume it is just a frameless cabinet with a shaker doors. So that will be it. So let me go back to Cabwriter and then make it frameless. Update. Here you can put your customer details, but for this case there is no need to waste time doing that one. Here you have draw gap. You can click here to see what that one means, but essentially it's the gap between the doors and the end panels. So material, once you click that on your material tabs, it will be fully populated with materials. Because we have not made any cabinets, we don't have anything, but here you can select your textures so that when you design it, it automatically assigns those textures to the model. Then for the carcass, I'm just going to go with planted back butt joints, nothing to change there. Do I need to build the base? Yes. Depth, insert leather, this one seems okay. I need my horizontal stretchers to be in bottom position. Yeah, I do. I don't have a problem with that. Do you want to build the frame? Yes. Then Cutlist. Nothing to change here more. No, I don't play with these ones, but you can if you want to. If you want your Cutlist to be a little bit different, you can play with these ones. Then the doors, yeah, one frame and panel, same to this one, but On the bottom rail I want it to be 2.25 also. Update drawers from one panel, yeah, but at the bottom I just want it to be 2.25. Update line boring, CNC setup. These ones are just good to go. CNC boring, it's okay. Panels, I don't need those ones. Then base cabinets, we're just going to leave them as they are for now. Let me just explain something. As you know, Cabwriter has introduced a new addition called closets, but does not work well, so I'm not going to use it because it will just waste time there. Making these ones just waste of time. So let's just go with the standard base cabinet, and then we can modify those ones. Maybe we can just go with the divided bases and then add our additions. Okay, we want to put this one at 1. Let's just go with a 96. Countertop thickness 0 because we don't want that one. And also base cabinet, we don't want solid or stretcher, we want solid because they will go all the way to the roof. So I'll keep one to solid. Depth 24 is okay. Back to wall, I don't want any gap there. Thickness 3/4, gap okay. And panel sheets to floor, we are not going to have any head panels, so no need to change anything there. Yeah, blind corner displacement, I want it to be around 26 inches. So it is this base here. So this way I made it like this so that we have some rooms to play here because of the hardware to be used. But in this case, let's just extend this blind corner to this section to a point like this one here, so that we can just part this cabinet to this one and do not have that space. I guess that one is also going to work. Don't see the reason why it will not work. So and let's put it 26, and then for this one also let's put it 96, as we are going to also to make divided bases. So update, then we're just going to save it again, and then always keep saving and saving because SketchUp crashes sometimes. So here we are going to use the dimensions 138, 81, 81. Okay, let's just put a big length there, don't care. One 38, 81. It is optional for this for this wall, but just for the sake of easy scenes generations, we can just put it there, and maybe, I don't know, let's just put something here like 30 what, 33 71, so 33 76 78, I guess. Yes, this one 36 plus 6 and 42. Something like that is okay. Can put some door there. We don't really use this information, it's just for the sake of drawings. So we can hide that wall, that is wall number 4, I believe. Yep. Then we can just make this one a little bit small. That is good. Make this one a little bit small. Okay, to that point. So let's go to 24 inches. Enter. Then another 24 inches. So let's just start with this one. Let's just leave 1 inch here for adjustments and also for some fillers. Don't want to be exact, thought it will create some issues. So then let's go from here, let's go 26 for that blind. Is this 24? 24. If I erase, there should be something like that. 26. Let's see, let's put in 18. No, let's go 16. So what do we have here? 38. It's okay. Can have one cabinet there and another one there. So just start placing them. Left finish. Okay. Right finish. Okay. Then let's just divided base here, then to go from 0, and then let's put a divided 48. So it's okay. Okay. So that one looks like this. So we are just going to put hanging bars at this cabinet. So you can model them, or you can just leave it and they can figure out how they are going to install those hanging bars. Don't bother with those ones, because I think if you are working with carpenters like myself the way I do, you don't need to worry about those ones, because they know how to do it. So they are just going to add the hanging bars at the right positions. And this one, click the rectangle and then insert door. No, I need 2 doors. I don't want to drill shell bores. Okay, and there you have it, the first closet. And then let's proceed. Left finish. Okay. Right, and let's call it right blind. Okay, we just call it blind corner base. Okay, Yeah, it worked. So we have that blind panel right there, which we are going to be fixed to this cabinet. Then we can just hide base doors, and then you can just see we have two adjustable shelves here, because I don't know what else we can do at this section here. So next, just going to measure 24 at this point, and to do the same thing again. So this one now it is on one left hand, so left finish. This one is right finish, and then divided base. We don't want to jump anything here, we want to go from 0 and then 48 to match the other side. Okay, we have that one. Then rectangle tool, and then just select it to this point, and then insert those. Yes, use cabinet store defaults. I don't think so. Number of doors 2. Blue shell, no. The selection has been textured. There you have it, another one done. So let's do this corner. This one is left finish. No. It's Control C, Control S. Right finish. Okay, and then clear because I've messed up, and then select again story stick, click right there. This one should be right finish. Okay, and this is the 26 line, so then we are going just to make it left blind. Okay, D or escape or end, whichever the shortcut you have decided to go with to pop up this tool, and just click that one. So by default it is end. For me, I've changed it to D. I'll just show you in a moment how you can do that. So this one is blind corner base. Want to keep it default. Okay, it is taking some time. I don't know why my computer is full of RAM. So for those shortcuts, you can just go to window and then preferences, and then shortcuts, and then you can look at those shortcuts there at maybe Cabwriter, draw shaped rectangle, it is R, and then for edit story stick you can select edit cabinet. You can put any endings there, and then you assign them, and then you go. Honestly, I've been using Cabwriter for a long period compared to Mosaic, so for me to make cabinets with Cabwriter is a little bit faster than Mosaic, but Mosaic has more things to do, to configure, and also libraries, so it is another level. So from there to there we have 90 inches. So let's just say we want to go that. Let's just make all of these 3 boxes here to be the same size, that the cabinet maker can just make 3 boxes and then make inside different. So move this one here, control to copy, and then place it there, divide it by 3, then you have 3 equal sections. Select one of those lines and delete, then select your story stick. Okay, what are we going to do here? We can put some trays inside and then leave the upper section with 2 shelves, and then yeah, I think that one is what I did. Yeah, I did that one. This cabinet here, it's just a bunch of shelves, a small trays here, and then 2 adjustable shelves. Left finish, okay. Right finish, okay. 10D, and then invalid base 0. Let's just put it at 48. Okay. Okay. So then here you can divide it. I'm a little bit fast because I have already did this project, so it is a little bit easier. So place it there and then divide it by 8. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Six. It's okay. You can do it like that. This is just a free live stream, so we are not constrained with any considerations. But also this one could work. Let's say at these trays you want to use a side mount sliders. So edit project, and then on the drawers you can check the side clearance at this point here. Let's say this one is 1/2 inch. Update, and then right click it and then insert a drawer. Maybe live streaming is making my computer to be slow, but I don't know. Use store defaults, no. Okay, select the face, delete. There you have it. Always save. Then repeat the process. No. Okay. I do like to stream in mosaics or any software because I think that one is the one that I feel like I'm doing something new. This one just feels like something I'm just too used to make. so not super fun. But anyways, I hope you enjoy it. So you can just, if you're watching these kind of streams, there are two options: either you're a cabinet maker, or maybe you are just a designer like myself. So in any case, if you just want someone to assist you, especially for those cabinet makers inside door, you can just let me know. Then inside door you can draw a font. No? Okay, perfect. Delete these faces. Then to create draw parts, select them. Then go to draw, then Cabwriter, then create draw box parts, selection. You can choose different types here, but I'm just going to go with bird capture sides so that the font is clean. Okay, then you can edit here data width. We are just going to go with half-inch basis. So bottoms, so we are just going to go with half there. Data depth, we're going to go with 3/4 on side, so that is okay. Support width, I don't care about that one because it is side mount, but half-inch is okay. Edge gap, if you are going to use a CNC, it is just better to leave that 1/16 there and just be specific, or you can just put like 2 millimeters. I think it will accept, but because I don't know, I usually just put 1/16 there if you are using CNC, just to make those ones a little bit deep. Slider width, we are not using sliders, so 0 and 0. Okay. Then material, let's just go with maple plywood. Zero, 0, 0, 0, and then maybe half, and then front, back and sides 3/4, and then draw. Boom, it is done. If you want to texture those ones, you can just go to tools, draw, Cabwriter, and then texture model. It will texture everything. Let's create those shelves. 3/4 pushing. Let's just go 3/4 is okay, and then one 16. Uh, 1/16 is okay, because we are not going to do any edge banding on the sides, so it's okay there. The same. G, let's just select a shelf. Create You can copy it and make several shapes, but for now just going to leave it as one. I will tell you later why. So you cannot use this tool to make the holes for the adjustable shelves. And if you have a CNC and want to make those also using a CNC, you have a problem which you can solve by creating a small door, somewhere there, and selecting, then insert a door, okay, yes, no, then reshape holes, yes, you want to drill those ones, okay, done. Then delete the door, okay, and then drill this draw inches holes, just delete those ones. There you have it, your adjustable shelf pins. So then you can just create a full door now. Okay, yes, this is the cabinet. Use cabinet installed. No, I'm not sure, no. So 2 doors. No, I don't want shelf holes. Okay, there you have it. So for this one here, delete, then make 3 big shelves. Customer is always right. He asked for 3 big shelves, so we are going to make those ones. Yes. No, here we have a problem because let's base draw fronts. Remember we made it to be half inch. From this point to the end, half inch. So you want to use Brom drawer slider, so you can maybe put his 5/16. So on the drawers, no, undo. Will it work? No. Yeah, it worked. So we can just go to settings, then drawers, and then put it 5/16, update, then inside drawers. Yes. No. $5.16. So you can just leave the space that you usually leave, and that will be okay. Made a mistake there, so undo. Let's put this drawer in the middle. Made a mistake there, so let's go back. Not so far. Okay. Then the last one. If you want to add a fixed shelf, you can do that, a mid stretcher or no divider, but you want to have the holes in that section, so no divider. So you want to make this one carburetor components, so they have the right catalyst. C5L, it is a shelf. It is important so that the edge banding is done correctly. Then you can make multiple copies. So you can see the milled part, sheet wood, material wood is this. You can make it maple plywood if you want. And then banding is on the front. That one is important. So with that said, we can just use one of the materials. Let's just decide you want to go with this one. That one, let's say that one. So we can just call maple plywood. Then hide the walls. Cabwriter doesn't care which texture you use, but you need to set the extended identity info to the right material sheet, and then maple plywood. I forgot about the doors. Okay, I see. But the doors are not made of plywood, all of them. So it's okay also. Because this one should be solid wood, I guess. Yeah. So the same drill again appends here to this point. This one adjustable shelves. Okay. No. Yes. No. Yes. Okay. Okay. And delete. And then delete. That is okay. No, it is not that one. Yes. No. I need two doors. Okay. And there you have it. So these panels, we also want them to be cut on CNC, let's say. And they are well. So that is it for this one, guys. I know I said I will be making the shop drawings and the cut list, but I didn't even get one view, so maybe you can like the video and let me in the comment. So I'll just save this file. Maybe after some request I'm going to make the shop drawings and show you how we prepare the CNC file. We can also do the CNC programming using Vectric Aspire, and you can see the whole process. But for now, I think this is just enough for at least today. I have uploaded something on YouTube. All of this is just to get some shops that I can work with. So that side, I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you in the next one. I'm just going to save it for future use, because I know maybe someone will ask for this on how we can make the drawings like these ones, generate the cut list, and also make the CNC DXL files. So yeah, I will be showing that one later if we get the request. On this space which I left here, if you want, you can add an end panel. So that is simple. You just go to Cabwriter and then face frames, and then finish style. You can just say yes, or maybe connector. I don't know which one is it, but I think it's one of those. And just put it 1 inch, mount it. Okay, if you want that filler, and just come there and then select that cabinet, then displaced end on the left, no, on the right end length extended, then filler style connector, say wall or filler. Let's just go finish. Use store defaults. No, it can be a rough number, can make it in maple. Okay, so we don't want this one at the back, so we can just delete them. If you don't want 2 pieces here, you can delete or not, but anyway, you can take care of that one right that way. It is just a filler, so the cabinet can fit. Anyway, that is it for this one. File, save. Again, file, save as. And then project 1, we can say to be continued. Continue. Fuck. Okay. I hope YouTube does not capture that last curse. Oh my god, this is so bad. Anyway, that is it for this one. I hope I'll see you again. So let me know about the comment about anything about this design. You can comment below, and then I can get back to you. If you have a project, you can send me an email, or if you are a cabinet shop, you can also check out my website, finalmiddleelectronics.com, and right there you can feel you can see some of the works we did, and The software is we use Mosaic and Cabwriter and Sketchup. But you do metal work, we also use Autodesk Inventor to make the frames, let's say for metallic tables or fancy pieces. And then you can try our free trial, can work together, or this is just for limited period of time. I'm going to remove it, so take advantage of it. Then for pricing, you can check our pricings, and then if you have a single project that you want us to try out, then I advise you to just do what I recommend here, that is sending your requirements to info@finalmillworkdrawings.com, and then I'll get back to you. So that is it. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you later. So stop stream.